Yo, what's up guys, my name is Akshay Dilip Kumar aka ADK and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you guys are new to my channel, do consider subscribing as I'll be posting a lot of beatbox related content and beatbox tutorials on this channel. Today I'm gonna teach you guys the inward click roll.
Beatbox.
The inward click roll is one of the main variation of the normal click roll and is a really popular sound in beatboxing since it sounds really powerful on the mic. So before you guys try to learn the inward click roll, I assume that you people already know to do the normal click rolls like. If not, check out the previous tutorial on this channel on the normal click rolls and then get back to this video. And after you guys have the click rolls broken down, the next step would be extending the click rolls by sucking air in using your lungs to get the inward click rolls like. And the feeling in your mouth while you do this sound is very similar to that of an outward tongue roll like. But instead of doing the sound outward, you fold your tongue backward and suck in air while keeping the tip of your tongue loose, thereby allowing it to flap over the roof of your mouth like. And after you guys get this sound, you people can try different variations by changing your mouth positions like. Or even changing the pressure while doing the sound like. And a groovy pattern to practice this sound would be. And an intermediate dubstep pattern along with the outward tongue roll would be. And also one of the main variation of the inward click roll is the vocalized inward click roll, wherein you add vocals along with inward click rolls like oh, oh. And a simple pattern along with it would be. And that's pretty much it for this tutorial guys. I hope you people learned this sound or helped you to get started with this sound. And if you people learned something new, do drop a like and subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. Or if you people got any doubts related to the sound, drop them in the comment section below or DM me on Instagram and share this video with your friends who might also want to learn beatboxing. So until the next video, keep learning and beatboxing. Esh.